Hello from Nice.
We have just finished our second step of COOPCOM Refugees.
2 European projects had already been submitted and 2 more will be submitted in April.
And more than 50 participants have shared our experience and methodology here.
So we would really like to invite you from now in Istanbul for the last step of COOPCOM Refugees.
That will take place from the 25th till the 29th of June.
We aim at going this time one step further in Erasmus Plus program.
So we are going to write together a common application, but under Europe for Citizens call that will take place in September.
We will also visit Kepler Association in Bursa and learn with them about refugees in Turkey.
But tell us what is the most important.
The French National Agency will be there and we aim at sharing with them our experience.
Do you want to join us? Then contact us and let's
Enjoy
together
in 2 months.